Okay, let's take a look at one of the recent Chinese IPO, Auto Home, and today is January 8, 2014. You can see right here on the daily chart, there's really no setup for any kind of swing trade here because you can't trade on these type of price pattern. If you look at here, basically you kind of swing up and then come down here. Right now, there's really no setup. Where are you going to take the setup to enter, right? It's really there's no risk and reward for you to really do much of a trading here. But if we take a look at the 30-minute chart and on an intraday basis, there are some possibility. Now again, these are very quick trade, and don't recommend that to be holding for any kind of long swing trade here. These most likely be just a intraday, day trading. And I have put up this pattern before. You essentially we're basically looking at this coming down, breaking out the trend line, right, and then come up to get to the pivot or the pivot high, and then just work itself up to the pivot and possibly get it back up to this particular high here, right? But right now you see that today when it get up here, broke this trend line and come up to this pivot, encounter this resistance and then move back. So if you got in here, that's great. Then you should be scaling out, and definitely it would be taking profit once it start retracing and possibly setting up your protective stop, at least get it down to this break even. Right? So if it come down, you won't lose any money and then take whatever profit that you have already stripped off. But at the end of the day, I would at least close it out and just take my profit and wait for another day because this is not a swing trade and it's not a trade to carry overnight.